Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. A quick walkthrough today of an adjustment I've got to make to my table saw. Okay, so we've got an inexpensive kind of homeowner Ryobi table saw, and hey, it works great and we love it and we've been using it for months. No problems out of it. However, it isn't very refined with its adjustments and measurement. I've never really set it up like to the T, you know, so I've always just kind of made the adjustments as I go. But today I'm going to show you how to fix the measurements so that when you adjust the fence, then the measurements are what it says in the viewfinder. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so here is my Ryobi table saw, and again, like I said, I love it. But I'm going to show you what the problem is here. Okay, I have set the fence here, and I'm measuring, forgive me for the tape being upside down, but as you can see, we should be dead on 8 inches right there. But when I come over here to the little viewfinder, we are not on 8 inches. We're round about 3/16 off. So now we are close up on our viewfinder here, and forgive me for not being straight down on it, but we can't and let me do this because then my screwdriver will be in the way. So I'm at an angle, but I'm going to take my screwdriver. We're going to loosen this guy right here. And I know, as I said before, I'm at 8 inches, so I want to move this. Yeah, let's clean all that out. I want to move this over to exactly 8 inches. Now, I will say it's a little frustrating because I am all the way over. And I've tightened this thing down, and all the way over, it's still a 1/16 of an inch off. That's very frustrating. It's a Ryobi thing. But I was able to kind of turn this a little cattywampus and get the red line over on the 8. So I'm going to call that close enough. If we're within a 32nd of an inch, I'm never going to need to be closer than that. That is it. Now everything is set. We'll still have to use a square to make sure that the fence is squared up. But now we can reasonably, within a 32nd of an inch, we can know that we're the correct distance from the blade. Yes. All right. Hey, thanks guys for joining me here today. Hey, you may be watching this and you may be thinking, wow, that was really not that technical. And no, it's not that technical. I'm just a simple guy doing some simple woodworking, eking out a living here, working in my carport. Look at that. This is my shop. This is my world in here. We're using entry-level tools because I can't afford those nice tools. We're getting the nicest tools we can afford, and we're making them work. And so I'm just passing along stuff to you that I'm learning as I'm going, and I hope this is helpful to you. If it is, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and hang out with us some more and tell your friends about it. Hey, thanks a lot. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.